Hey everyone, this is Sneha and welcome back to Learning English Journey with me. And this is the day 7. Let's learn English with me. So today I will discuss about the topic is the some basic factors of English. Okay, so first of all, if you have seen my previous video, so you are understand clearly the basic structure of the sentence and the basic sentence used in our daily life. Okay, and if you did not see my videos, so go to my channel and see all of my videos. So today I will discuss about the some basic factors in English. First of all, everyone is knows about that what this is the some basic factors to improve our English, that is the listening, reading, speaking, writing, shadowing. Okay, that these all are very important factors, but I think the grammar is also very important to improve our English language, because grammar makes a language very interesting, because if you know some basic rules in the grammar, so you are understand clearly the basic sentence in the English, and uh, you understand it. So I think that interest cam in that language. Okay, so that doesn't mean that you have to understand the difficult grammar rules in the grammar. You don't need to go. You don't need to go hardest grammar rules, and you don't need to learn and grammar rules into deep section. Just understand the basic grammar rules. Okay, I give the some example, some basic rules on the grammar, that is the tense, vocabulary, interrogative word, mean verb, and one thing is modals. Okay, these all are important in the grammar section. If you understand this in this if you understand these all are the grammar rules in these factors, so I think you are understand the English very easily, and you start the journey with interesting way. And first of all, this grammar is helpful to understand the language. And if you want to see any videos on YouTube in English, if you want to listening any audio book, and if you reading the book, so in these all are the sentence you understand very easily uh, if you learn grammar, if you remember the grammar rules and understand the grammar rules. And second is that don't be afraid of the grammars, keep practicing, keep focusing. It is this in your journey. And if you want to like my videos, so don't forget to like, comment and share my videos, and subscribe to my channels for more videos. Thank you so much.